Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create a cool profile picture from this to the coolest one. So to do that, you should open the Chrome and type pfpmaker.com. So after that, you see the page like that, and after that you choose profile pictures and click that button aesthetic, and after that you click that button and you upload your photo and wait for a second. As you can see guys, here are the samples and you can choose any of them because they are absolutely free to use, free to download, and with the help of that function you can change the background of that pictures. So as you can see guys, background is changing. I think it's very helpful for us because you don't have to create manually. This AI makes it for you, and after clicking that button you can customize your profile picture, add some text, for example. And here you can change the color of text, and here you can change the style. So guys, don't forget to subscribe me and support me. I really need your support, and don't forget to like this video. So see you next time guys. Bye.